Hello students, welcome to E-Learn portal, a unique education provider. आज हम पढ़ेंगे बुक नेम है रत्नसागर माई पर्ल्स। इस बुक में से हम क्लास 3 के सब्जेक्ट सोशल साइंस का चैप्टर नंबर 1 अप इन द स्काई के सॉल्यूशंस और क्वेश्चन आंसर्स हम सॉल्व करेंगे, रीड करेंगे और विल ट्राई टू अंडरस्टैंड देम। तो आज हम देखते हैं, हम स्टार्ट करते हैं चैप्टर के साथ। इस चैप्टर के फर्स्ट पार्ट में चेक पॉइंट है, चेक पॉइंट के सॉल्यूशंस हम स्टार्ट करेंगे। राइट, ट्रू और फॉल्स से स्टार्ट करते हैं। सो स्टार्ट रीडिंग। राइट, ट्रू और फॉल्स। ये जो वीडियो है आपको रीडिंग में भी हेल्प करेगा और क्वेश्चन के आंसर्स के साथ भी आपकी हेल्प करेगा। सो ट्रू और फॉल्स का फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन है, वीनस इज वन ऑफ द 8 प्लैनेट्स। नाउ विल सी, रीड द क्वेश्चन फर्स्ट और इसके आंसर्स मैं आपको लास्ट में बताऊंगी। वीनस इज वन ऑफ द 8 प्लैनेट्स। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज, द सन इज स्मॉलर देन अर्थ। द सन इज स्मॉलर देन अर्थ। Third one is, the earth is an important source of energy. The earth is an important source of energy. The moon is a satellite of the earth. This is the last question. The moon is a satellite of the earth. अब जैसे कि हमने questions read किए हैं, इसके answers मैं आपको बताती हूँ। फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन है, वीनस इज वन ऑफ द 8 प्लैनेट्स। सो वेदर इट इज ट्रू और नॉट? yes, it is true. See, answers are given at the last line. If you see the last line, the answer is question number 1, Venus is one of the 8 planets, so the answer is true. Second question, the sun is smaller than earth. So the answer for the question is false, because the sun is bigger than the earth. It is not smaller than the earth. Our next question was, the earth is an important source of energy. So it is again a false, because the earth is not an important source of energy. We have different sources of energy. And our last question was, the moon is a satellite of the earth. So it is true, because the moon is a satellite of the earth. Let's come to the next question. Our next question is, tick the correct answers. Now let's read, tick the correct answers. The planets, the stars, the moon and the sun are called? Option A, galaxy. Option B, heavenly bodies. Option C, craters. So the tick the correct answer. First question is, the planets, the stars, the moon and the sun are called. So which is the correct answer from these 3 options? So the correct answer is B, heavenly bodies. Now answers for this is again given at the end of this question. So for this answer is heavenly bodies. Solar energy means the energy we get from? Options are A, sun, B, moon, C, stars. So solar energy means the energy we get from? Correct answer is sun. So it is the energy which we get from the sun. Our next question, the closest neighbor of the earth is the closest neighbor of the earth is the? Options are A, moon, B, great bear, C, sun. The correct answer is moon. A, moon. The closest neighbor of the earth is the moon. Question number 4, the earth's natural satellite is? The Earth's natural satellite is Option is A, Mars, B, Sun, C, Moon. So what is the natural satellite of the Earth? The Earth's natural satellite is C, Moon. The correct answer is C, Moon. Next question is, humans first landed on the moon in, I'll read this again. Humans first landed on the moon in, the options are 1959, 1969, 2009. And the correct answer is option B, 1969. Humans first landed on the moon in year 1969. So correct option is option B, 1969. The brightest star in the night sky is the, options are Scorpius, Sirius, Orion. The brightest star in the night sky is the Sirius. So correct answer is B, Sirius. Here we have answers again. We can see these answers on the screen. Coming to the next question now. Read the clues and write the answers. So हम clues देखेंगे और answers लिखेंगे. So clues को read करते हैं. Let's start with the clues. First one, it is much bigger than the earth. Now what is much bigger than the earth? It is much bigger than the earth. Correct answer is sun. Sun is much bigger than the earth. As we read in the chapter, sun is much bigger than the earth. Next question. They move around the sun. They move around the sun. They move around the sun. Planets. Answer is planets move around the sun. These are big holes on the moon's surface. These are big holes on the moon's surface. Craters. The answer is craters. It has no light of its own. It has no light of its own. Moon. We can see thousands of these in the sky at night. We can see thousands of these in the sky at night. And the answer is stars. Sun. For the question 1 was sun. Answer number for question 2 is planets. Answer for question number 3 is craters. Answer for question 4 was moon. And question 5 is stars. Let's come on answer these questions. So here we are basically going to read question answers. Why? Question number 1. Why is the sun important to us? Now, why is the sun important to us? Let's see the answer. The sun is important to us because it gives us heat and light. Plants make food using sunlight. The sun is also a source of solar energy. This energy is used to cook food, run cars, and even light up streets at night. We'll read the answer once again. The sun is important to us because it gives us heat and light. Plants make food using sunlight. The sun is also a source of solar energy. This energy is used to cook food, run cars, and even light up streets at night. Question number 2. The sun and the moon appears to be of the same size from the earth. Why? The sun and the moon appear to be of the same size from the earth. Why? Let's read the answer. Answer: the sun and the moon appear to be of the same size because the moon is much closer to the earth. The sun and the moon appear to be of the same size because the moon is much closer to the earth. Let's go to the next question. Question number 3. Who were the first person to land on the moon? So, who were the first person to land on the moon? Answer is Neil Armstrong and Edwin Aldrin were the first people to land on the moon. We'll read the answer again. Neil Armstrong and Edwin Aldrin were the first people to land on the moon. Come on, the next question. Question number 4. What is a star? What is a star? Answer: a star is a heavenly body. It is a big ball of gas. It has its own heat and light. Let's read the answer again. A star is a heavenly body. It is a big ball of gas. It has its own heat and light. Question number 5. What is a constellation? Write the names of any 2 constellations. What is a constellation? Write the name of any 2 constellations. Answer: a constellation is a group of stars that forms patterns in the sky resembling figures of animals, people, or things. The Great Bear, Leo, Orion, and Scorpius are some constellations. Now, from these options, these examples of constellations, you can write any 2. We'll read the answer again. A constellation is a group of stars that forms patterns in the sky resembling figures of animals, people, or things. The Great Bear, Leo, Orion, and Scorpius are some constellations. Thank you, students.